Greetings, observers, and welcome to Aliens and Ghosts Live from the beautiful space coast of Florida. I'm Mike S. I'd like to thank all the observers for subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos, and for the comments. It's fun to chew up the space fat. Now check this out, observers. From the European Space Agency, the Trace Gas Orbiter has detected oxygen on Mars. Interesting. Oxygen breaks apart from the carbon dioxide, the sun hits it, and it shows up as a green atmosphere. What do you guys think? You think we could save Mars? You think we could reverse it to make it a habitable planet once again? I guess we're going to find out a little better here, because we got our new rover. NASA's launching the Perseverance rover on July 17th through August 5th from the beautiful space coast of Florida. This thing's loaded with more cameras than any of the others. What's interesting too is it's carrying along with it, on the underbelly here, the INGENUITY helicopter. This thing's going to be cool to see. It's going to come out of the bottom of the underbelly, launch up into the air. It can fly for bursts of 60 to 90 seconds, up to 800 to 900 feet, then it'll just land and charge again. It's going to teach us a lot about flight on Mars. As you know, the atmosphere is a lot less dense than Earth, so the more we can fly things around, we'll learn more for, to help us with landing craft, and then flying larger crafts, which I'm sure is the idea here, because we're going to have the Starship's going to make a run to Mars not too long from the moon, so the more data we get, the safer everybody's going to be. It's going to be something else. Because as you all know, here's the idea: colonizing Mars. That's just going to be a cool thing. Just think about it. But they've got it all laid out. The missions, the equipment, these kind of colonies. It's going to be awesome. Check out this NASA photo of Mars. It's incredible. Look at the ice caps and the blue hue. Wow. What a killer picture. If you guys would like to help support Aliens and Ghosts, check out aliensandghostslive.com. We've got all kinds of cool merch. Nice pillows, men's and women's t-shirts, mugs, stickers, phone cases. And we're working on a new observer line just for you. And to include the kids, a line for them. If you're under 18, though, ask for your parents' permission. Now we're jumping right to these Mars. We got 3 anomalies. This one here we're calling the bird UFO, which was last year in June, Sol 2446. What do you guys think? Is it a bird, a drone, a craft? It's definitely not a pixel, because a pixel anomaly would be more of a square image. It's not. That's not a dead pixel. So it's something. It's one of the 3. So let me know. We'll chew the fat up in the comments. Here we go. They're calling this the bright UFO taken on Sol 2438. This to me looks straight up like a craft. Period. The bird, it's not as convincing as this craft right here. Let's take a closer look at it. And the shape of this thing, it reminds of his other crafts we're seeing. We'll check some out. I'll show you something here in a little bit, but woof. That's got craft written all over it. And we got our third here, hovering over Mount Sharp, near the Valley of the Kings on Mars. There's structures all over this picture up on that mount, but check this anomaly out. Only about 20 meters away from the prior UFO, the bright UFO. Looks similar to the bright UFO here. Yeah, little different characteristics, like one you can see a dome on the top, more of a thing, you reverse it, slap it, or is it just 2 different crafts, period? Let's take a look at her side by side here. You got the Mount UFO on the left, the Mount Sharp, and then you got the bright UFO on the right. They're similar, but they have slight differences, as you can see. But anyway, these shapes, We're seeing them other places, like in Soho. Check this out. This alien ghost find right here, but check the shape of this craft out. Boom. That's almost identical to the Mount Sharp UFO and the Bright UFO. What do you guys think? Shoot us a comment. We'll chew it up in the space vat. I'd like to thank everybody once again for subscribing, liking, hit your notifications. We appreciate it. From the beautiful space coast of Florida, I'm Mike S., and I'm out.